Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the face unlock feature on OPPO Find X8 doesn't recognize your face. So in this case you'll have to set up a new face unlock for your device. To do that, let's go into settings, open security and privacy, then select device unlock, then go to the fingerprint and face unlock settings and tap on face. Let's draw a lock screen lock pattern, and then let's delete the previous face data we had on our phone. And before we add a new face, let's wipe the camera of our device so that it can recognize us clearer, and also check the lighting in your room so that you can clearly see your face features. Tap add face and let's add a new face for our device. Now once the face is added, tap done. And before we continue, let's check if our phone is up to date. To do that, let's go back to settings, then go to system and update, software update, and check if your device is up to date so that your everything works fine and face unlock is the application is the last version. And the last thing, just to make sure everything works smoothly, let's restart our device. So hold down the power key and select restart. And once the phone is rebooted, let's unlock it and check if the face unlock feature works properly. And as you can see, it went pretty smoothly. I hope it helps you too. If it did, please let us know in the comments. Leave us a like and a comment below, and see you next time.